Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin now. Zest 2 lemons for aromatic oils, then cut all lemons and press them to release more juice. Once done, juice until you have roughly 1 cup of lemon juice. While you juice, measure 1 cup sugar and 4 cups water so everything is ready. Make sure to strain seeds as you go. This keeps texture clean. You're skipping fluff. Start with bright zest and efficient juicing so the base flavor is concentrated and fresh for the next step. You make a quick syrup because sugar dissolves best warm. Combine 1 cup sugar and 1 cup water in a saucepan, simmer and stir until clear, then cool slightly. Once ready, pour 1 cup lemon juice into your pitcher, add 3 cups cold water, then start with 1/2 cup of syrup and stir. Taste immediately. You're calibrating acidity versus sweetness. If it's too sharp, add another 1/2 cup syrup. If flat, add a splash more lemon. This step locks in balance and mouth. You finish by chilling the pitcher for 30 minutes or serving over ice to open flavor. Once chilled, pour into glasses, add a lemon wheel or mint for aroma, and present with a playful Yo Gabba Gabba vibe if desired. If something's off, here's the key troubleshooting tip. If it's too sour, add simple syrup in small increments. If too sweet, add a splash more lemon juice or water and taste after each change. Make sure to strain before serving to keep it smooth.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.